Hi, my name is Amanda Allen, and I will be presenting materials needed for our new Library Media Center at the Early Childhood Center. Here are some favorite vendors and jobbers that I found after all of my research and talking to other librarian friends. Specifically for Decor, I chose Demco, Scholastic, and Oriental Trading for the following reasons. And then for books, I chose Permabound, Macavia, Bound to Stay Bound for books. For technology, I chose Amazon, Capstone, and Follett Tidal Wave. And then for maker spaces, I chose Play with a Purpose, and sometimes called PWOP. Really good stuff, and surprisingly, Target was a very good vendor to use for maker spaces. For furniture, I chose Lakeshore Learning, the Library Store, and Worthington Direct. Those were the best ones that I found for furniture. So I thought it would be fun to focus on diversity, celebrating diversity when choosing my books, because it's important to celebrate diversity in the library. When students work and learn with students from a variety of backgrounds and cultures, they gain a better understanding of the world around them. It promotes inclusivity and an awareness of the contributions of a range of learners, which goes along with our library standards. So all of the materials that I found, all these books, this is actually a book kit that's focused all about diversity, multicultural diversity. And then all of these different book titles are all focused on multicultural learning and diversity for a total of $480.94. Then I focused on flexible seating for my furniture. It creates a warm, inviting environment. It gives students a choice and allows them to wobble, rock, and lean. Movement increases oxygen to the brain, blood flow, and core strength. So I just love the flexible seating so they can choose where they want to sit, how they want to sit. I have wobble stools here, beanbag seats in the back, foldable floor seats are really neat. The lap desks, the really nice wooden lap desks I found. The balance balls are always great for kids that like to sit on those, and they can be on their iPads or read, whatever they want to do. It just encourages communities. They can sit together on the couch and talk. These I had never seen before, but they're super cool. These ball chairs. And then I love those rockers. So if they want to sit and rock and they're real durable, they can do that for a total of $2,127.22. So furniture is a little bit more expensive than other things, of course. Then for my technology, I wanted to think of things that I could use for a parent night to host like possibly once a month in the library to promote to new technology programs. They can help get families involved in their child's digital learning, and it can help relieve some of that intimidation that new technology often creates with parents and students. So from Tidal Wave, I found these really cool interactive ebooks called Lightbox, and I just found some um, like topics that I thought were interesting: symbols of America, habitats, and then there's another sea life one in here that I included. Also, these programmable robot mice are super cool. I've seen those in action. I found those on Amazon, and just having one at each table for the students to explore coding with. It's a great foundational coding activity for the pre-K through first graders. And then these Osmo Little Genius starter kits I thought would be fun for the parents to learn what the students are doing at school if they come and get involved for a parent night. Pebble Go is a great subscription to have for your kids to research, and it's just so student friendly. That's from Capstone. And then I found these iPads on Amazon. I think that the Osmo and the iPads would be something that would go together in the budget. And that was a total of $5,061.89. Then for my decor, I really wanted to focus on social emotional learning. So like just feelings and kindness and bullying and things that can help them to um, just to create opportunities for them to work on those skills. And social emotional learning lessons increase their ability to manage stress and depression, and also improves classroom behavior and academic performance. So just using these things around my library to decorate with, I think, is a great way to encourage all of those things. Um, so I have kindness posters and bulletin board sets, charts that are all about the different expressions and facial expressions that we have. And I love these little flip charts about I need help or I'm doing fine, and things that they can say and do if they're feeling these things. And I love these classroom greetings, just encouraging them to greet each other and encouraging teachers to greet their students for a total of a total of $217.62. And then lastly, we have maker spaces, STEM activities. Project-based maker spaces in STEM learning creates thoughtful engagement. It promotes collaboration and it encourages inquiry. So that's why I chose all of those things. The table that I found is really nice and neat, and it just has all these different storage things for them to sit at and do their maker spaces. And then this construction set is super durable. It's big and jumbo since I'll be teaching at a preschool. These things would be great for those little hands. And then I loved these planetarium projectors where they just slip in the little discs and they can look at the different things there. And then all of these, this is actually a classroom bundle of 4. So that was nice to get it all in one. But then if you wanted extras for your for extra groups, I just included that. And then the Force in Motion set is really cool too. So, and these were all from Target, which was really happy because, I have a Target in town, and it's just nice to have something that you can go in person and look at possibly. And then that gives us a grand total of $9,937.04. It'll pay for new books, furniture, makerspace materials, technology tools, and decor for our new library media center. Thank you so much. These are my resources that I use with all the linkable websites. Thank you.